Hello and welcome to Provider Test Action. My name is Sam. I am your EMR trainer for today. So today we're going to go over how to use Provider Test Action and where to find it and how when you would use it. Okay. So what is Provider Test Action? Provider Test Action is a template in which you can order future labs, diagnostic studies, and referrals. If you don't have a visit with the patient and you just want to order some future labs, get some diagnostic studies done, or refer your patient without seeing them or having an actual visit, this is what you can do to do that. Okay. You can also set a communication with other staff, but it is best to either use communication template or telephone communication or clinical tasking. Okay. Where to find Provider Test Action? First, you want to create a new encounter by selecting the new folder here. Then you click on the blue template box down at the bottom right-hand corner. Then you select Provider Test Action. Now, in your preferences, if you don't have it added to your preferred templates, you have to click the All Radio button to have it display, and then you'll select Provider Test Action, and then click OK. Next, you want to designate specialty, so whether it's family medicine, etc., up at the top here, and visit type will be chart update. Then select the order that you want, so whether it's a diagnostic study, a lab order, or referral, and then you want to click Add. So for diagnostic studies, first you need to go to the Assessment tab to add your assessment here. Once you've added your assessment, you would come back to the Diagnostics tab, highlight the diagnosis, and then select your diagnostic study. Then click Place Order and save and close. For lab orders, first you need to go to the Assessments tab once again, choose your assessment, come back to the Labs tab, choose your lab study or your lab order. You can search by clicking in free texting here, clicking Search to search for your lab. Double-click your lab that you want to order. It will be placed under Ordered Labs, and then save and close. For referrals, first you need to go to your Assessments tab again, choose your assessment, go back to Referrals, click on the Specialty Radio button here. Next, you go to the Specialty drop-down menu, choose your select specialty that you want to refer the patient to. Under Diagnosis, you want to choose your diagnosis or assessment. Next, you want to select the service requested, so whether it's a consult or evaluate and treat. You'll also want to add your reason for referral and choose your time limit, whether it's routine or urgent. Next, you can also select your, or if you want to add any clinical information for the referral, that can be done here. You'll click Add and then Close. If you want a task, first fill out any notes and select any to-do items. Okay, so you select any notes that you want to enter. Choose your to-do item. Click Other if you need to, and then click Save a Task. Once you have tasked it to the group that you want to task it to, by choosing your group or your designated person, you'll click Add, OK. Once you've done that, then you'll go down to the bottom, click Test Action to generate your document. After that, verify it is correct, and then sign off on it. If you ordered any labs, diagnostics, or referrals, you'll need to go to Checkout to have those orders requisitioned, or if it's a referral, then you'll have to click on Referral Document to generate those documents. Finally, verify the documents and sign off on them. Other uses for provider text action: you can use it for items with immediate attention when signing it off in your pack, such as mammograms and referrals. You click chart on the bottom left-hand corner here. Then you open up the provider text action template. Okay. You can then do an action and task from there, like shown in this screenshot above. You can even complete or close the loop through order management with the results on a mammogram or diagnostic study as well. Reply to sender. You can even reply to a sender with a note. So first you need to select a message from either your current encounter or view all. Then click on reply to sender and then choose staff and click OK. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to your EMR trainers with this email shown here, or if you need to call us, we are available at any of these extensions at the designated sites. Thanks for joining, and have a good day.